What's up, Internet? Matt down here at Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams. I'm here with my weekly FAQ video. Gas versus diesel Rams for fleet use. Are gas engines cheaper to maintain? Yes, I would say they are cheaper to maintain. And a lot more fleet companies are going that route just because of the fact of that, and of course the cost of diesels. So basically with the gas engines, you are going to have less maintenance costs, but you are going to be burning more fuel. The components are going to wear out a lot faster, and your resale value is going to be affected. So a lot of companies are mixing their fleet now versus what they were doing before. Diesels, obviously, you're going to have higher maintenance costs, but you're going to burn a lot less diesel. You're going to have higher resale value when you go to trade it in, and they like being idled and ran versus the gas, right? A gas at idle for 5,000 hours versus diesel is a big difference. Chances are at that point you're going to be doing a motor in your Hemi versus the diesel longevity. If you guys want more questions on that versus the gas versus diesel for fleet use, call in the store 780-942-3629. Open 6 days a week. My name is Matt, Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams.